So no auction this week that we are going to go to. But we're out and about this morning, and we came across an estate sale.
Back road bidder.
We spent $40, and this is what we got. We didn't record at the sale, but we'll show you what we found anyway. This was a cool estate sale. They where they just kind of open the doors and say, start digging. Vintage cutlery with cute little butterflies.
They didn't have any forks though.
That's strange.
Yeah.
Must have been for prisoners.
What is this?
Random flash bulbs. $1.25 I paid for that in the original box. And it looks pretty darn full.
How do you know if those are still good?
I don't.
Oh. Did you see this there?
No, is that linen?
No, it's cotton. I mean, it's got some stains on it, so I'm gonna try to...
It's really pretty though.
Yeah, it is.
Is that for under a tree or is it a table?
No, it's a tablecloth.
Okay.
And then this one too, I'm gonna have to soak, but I've never seen one this color before. It's got pretty purple.
That is kind of a neat.
I thought it'd be pretty for somebody might want it for summer, spring, summer.
Certainly. Check it out. Vintage members only winter jacket.
Pretty good condition.
I'd say it is. Red. We don't have to show every piece.
No. That was the...
Gitano?
Gitano. The tops were, or the clothing was, they were $1 a piece unless otherwise marked.
Those are strange.
I think it's cute. I like the colors.
Queen's way to fashion.
Yeah.
That looks vintage.
This is probably from the 80s. Adele. Made in the USA.
She's a singer.
That's classic fashion.
Nice ruffles. This is one of my favorites.
This is Montgomery Ward's.
Monkey wards.
There's a couple snags in it, but I can probably snip those
What
off.
is that material?
I'm guessing polyester.
That's sexy.
So this is Gitano, old new stock. It's still got the tag on it.
Wow.
That was $1.
And that's from the 80s?
I'm guessing 80s, early 90s. I don't know. I'll have to look it up.
Yeah, this one too. I love this one. Everybody had an aunt that had this outfit, yes. I think. Oh, Bob. It's so fancy.
It's very fancy.
Love it.
What's vintage clothing? Vintage corduroy.
That's corduroy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's still really vibrant.
It's just the fabric?
Yeah. So that was $1.
Those go with this.
Yes. I wanted this. It's a goodie brush.
Goodie.
Yep. Oh, these must be the pens.
By the end of the summer, I want you in a house coat with curlers.
Done.
I don't know what you're doing there. Is that a goodie or something?
I don't know what it is. I'm guessing this is unbreakable comb.
Keep trying.
No, it's not goodie.
I remember
it's
those
pretty,
combs.
though. Yeah, everybody had one of these where he helped.
Find your part?
Yep. That's pretty snazzy. I don't know how that works. Oh, there we go.
I don't know how it works. Oh, there you go. Hold on. Heavens, yes.
Oh, it's so Murgatroyd. Everybody likes a little hosiery.
Vintage hosiery.
Legs. Vintage legs.
Everyone likes a great pair of legs.
Yeah. Those were... I wish I had a great pair of legs.
Nothing beats a great pair of legs.
Yes. 50 cents a piece. These are the ones that I didn't mean to buy. But, oh well.
We can donate them to a hockey team or something.
Or I could rob a bank with them.
There you go.
These I just picked up. Oh, I don't know that I knew that they made these microfiber tights.
Oh.
So, what, are you hitting your head?
I am. I'm used to it.
You did it 2 times in a row.
It's frustration. More goodies.
Yeah, this, I don't know what year this is from. Old new stock.
Nice.
Yeah. I think that's all I got. And then the rest is yours.
The rest is my good
Nope.
shit.
I lied.
There's your yellow tablecloth.
Yeah, this one I thought was really pretty. I love the yellow.
That is bright. Oh, it's a
Isn't that
small
nice?
one.
Yeah. I like that.
That'll sell quick.
Yeah. And it's cotton.
These I just got for myself. I love
Oh, you
these.
did? Nice.
But the ones with the trashy covers are
Yeah.
usually the coolest books.
Oh, I'm sure.
Stop it now. Showbiz Pizza Place mug.
Totally awesome.
Showbiz, in case you don't know, used to be a competitor of Chuck E. Cheese, and then Chuck E. Cheese bought them out, and I think they're all gone now. What's that, cachet?
Yeah. Old new stock.
You know, you haven't looked that up yet.
I did. There's a bunch listed for $80, $90. Only one has sold now.
For that much, though?
I don't remember how much that was. It was quite significant. I mean, it was at least 60 or more.
Oh, nice.
But I see you got more of these.
I'm all
Why
in.
do you keep getting all these?
I just want to make sure I have a good set to sell.
You haven't listed them yet?
No, I got them right next to my bench. They're ready to go.
So you just gonna like hold on to them all summer and just like keep adding to it?
No. Would have listed them yesterday, but I quit for the day.
Oh.
But they're Fire King, and I have a bunch already. I might as well just go all in, right?
Sure. Point Pleasant. That's West Virginia. That was where the Mothman was from.
Well, this is Point Pleasant,
know.
New Jersey.
Well, it's West Point Pleasant Tavern.
Oh, gotcha. Anyway, a milk glass ashtray. I don't know if I've ever seen a milk glass ashtray. And
That
this
was
one,
kinda neat.
yeah, I don't know. It's got some engraving on there. Anderson. That's cool.
Luxury for less.
Ramada Inn. I like vintage ashtrays.
I didn't realize that this was only 75 cents. If I would have known that, I would have grabbed it.
I'm
3
fine.
times.
Okay. Oh my gosh, my treasures. 75 cents JFK rug, right? It's a rug, isn't it?
It's a tapestry.
A tapestry. Fancy.
Are you sure that's JFK? That looks like
Is it Robert?
Bobby Kennedy.
No, I think that's JFK. Turn it around.
Yeah?
It's whoever you want.
It's a Kennedy.
It's a Kennedy. It's
That's all
definitely
that
a Kennedy.
matters. No, wait, this wasn't the one that I was looking at. How much was that other one?
The one hanging on the wall, she didn't have a price on. Plus, it had holes in it because it was like nailed to the wall. So I skipped
Oh.
that one, and this one was sitting somewhere else.
I still think that the other one would have been a good pickup, but
I
I
don't
was afraid
know.
to ask how much it was.
And then I got a bunch of VHS. I tried to pick out creepy old movies because those seem to do all right.
Day of the Maniac.
Day of the
I
Maniac.
might have to watch that one.
And then that one I just picked up for our son. He wanted it. He saw. I didn't get as much stuff, but how much did we spend? 40 bucks?
40 even.
And we may have overpaid because the woman checking out kept screwing up. But I think we're going to make money. So I don't think we actually overpaid, but I think she charged more than she was supposed to.
She did.
So we're going to resell it all and retire in the Caribbean.
Oh, nice. I can't wait.
Well, it's going to take a little time.
St. Lucia?
A couple days
Here
at
I come.
least. So that's it. Thanks for stopping by. And yeah. The Beardos is on Nate's channel this week. So watch us, love us, have fun. And I'm guessing if our Saturday auction went well, we'll have it on Saturday this week too. But stay tuned and find out. See you later. Don't forget to floss. Where do we start, Mars?
I don't know. It's done pretty good.
Pretty what to what?
Pretty good. Oh, are you talking? Sorry.
I was about to.
I'm gonna go out and start working.
Finally.
Shut up.
All right, what's next?
Oh, did you get this?
Oh yeah.
You
got
did? Oh. What are they doing back there?
Getting kid. Oh, he picked up a coon.
Oh, shit. I wonder if that was what we had in our tree.
I don't know.
I wonder where it was. Where'd
I
they
don't
pick it up from?